The revolution of Nari, and we've seen women in agriculture.
Revolutionary नाम लोगों में एक जज्बा पैदा करेगा.
Is going to create impact, and this needs to be done more. It will inspire many women in agriculture.
This is the time when we are going to transform. This is the time that is going to take women to the next stage, especially in the force of agriculture. We got women from all different spheres of the country, all different parts, participating, giving their nominations, telling us their incredible stories.
नाम लोगों में एक जज्बा पैदा करेगा कि वो जो औरतों का कंट्रीब्यूशन है इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर में उसको बेहतर तरीके से रिकॉग्नाइज करें, अप्रिशिएट करें.
GG17 is a very important framework which talks about partnership between industries. Partnership is the way forward for any sector, not just agriculture. It can be health, nutrition, road safety, or rather agriculture. But driving partnerships, getting the industry together, collaborating for broader impact is something which everybody needs to sort of talk about, and then everybody needs to come together to drive forces together.
Today was the truest proof that women's contribution to agriculture has been really significant, and if tapped well into this potential, both for the women's livelihood, it can be very, very significant for their incomes and for their empowerment, and for businesses, governments and societies to be really able to make the promise of sustainable and inclusive agriculture come alive.
पर जो मैंने खास बात देखी है कि फार्मर्स खुद विभिन्न स्टेट से यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, विमेन फार्मर्स यहाँ बैठी हुई हैं और वो हमारी वार्तालाप सुन रही हैं, हमसे सीख रही हैं और हमको भी उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है क्योंकि वो साथ ही साथ एक पैरेलल वर्कशॉप्स भी चल रही है. सो इनसे मिल के इनकी जो ज़मीनी हकीकत है इनके बारे में, क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं या उनको क्या इस पहल से, रेवोल्यूशनरी की पहल से क्या क्या उनको बेनिफिट्स मिले, वो पूरी एक बहुत एक वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस है और लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस और एनलाइटनिंग एक्सपीरियंस लिया है हमारे लिए सबके लिए.
And it's a wrap. I'm here, and what a day it's been, listening to the inspiring stories of our revolutionaries. You know, at some point in time, it got so emotional just listening to the stories and the impact that each of the farmers are making in their own communities. I'm going away inspired with a lot of energy and a lot of work to do. It's the entire ecosystem that can come together and really make an impact.